In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block browser with a password. So currently I open. Now I need to click on this extension. Now click on manage extension. Again click on web store. Now here is charge bar. You need to click on lock. So I found this on browser lock. Just click on here, then add to Chrome. Add to browse, then add extension. That's it. Okay, it's already added. Now I need to click on active now. Then again click on start now. Then I need to register on here uh, using my pass name, email, etc. So I write here. Okay, once you've done it, I need to click on okay, we care about your product, so I don't like. Then contact us. I skip this one, so I need to verify with my Gmail. Then validate. Okay, okay, I need to once I've done it, I close everything, then close all. Then I'm trying to again just open this one, this browser. So you can see I need to type password. So now I input just my password, then click on enter. This is wrong password. I again type, then click on enter. Okay, it's working. So this is the method how can lock browser with a password.